Hello, MVP. I've got some great, exciting news for us. We are switching website host. We are going to go from Team Unify to Commit Swimming. Commit Swimming is not going to be used for at least another month, hopefully 2 months. My goal is that we release the new website at the beginning of our winter season, really at the conclusion of our summer season. There's still some logistics I'm working out with Team Unify. But in the meantime, I am still building our commit website and getting information over there. And one of the big steps is all of our account information. Currently, all the swimmers are already put in to their accounts. They're assigned to their training groups. So all that's already set up for you. Now we just need to get your information in your swimmer's account. And that's what we're going to cover today. So you are going to receive an email from me or from Commit asking you to join and create an account. There's going to be no fees on it. You are literally just creating your account login information at this point. So once you complete that email, please don't put it into spam. Don't trash it. Please open that email and follow the directions. It shouldn't take more than, I'd say, 5 minutes at very, very most, and it's super simple. Once you create your login, you need to go to commitswimming.com. You are going to go to Parent Sign In. Oops. Once you're there, you're going to use that email that you just created or that account information that you just created. You're going to log in to your account. This is going to be your dashboard. So please feel free once you're in to kind of look around, see what's there. Not going to be a lot of information, unfortunately, yet, but at least you can see what's there. You can already tell, as I said, it's a lot simpler than Team Unified. This is your home base right here, super easy. Once you're logged in, though, what you need to do to add another parent, you need to click on your swimmer's name right here. You need to click on Manage, and then Add Parent. Their first name, last name, email, phone. Select Create. They will pop up right here below, and then this is all your swimmer's information. Like I said, you can add the parent, sibling information, emergency contact information. You can edit your athlete's information, your contact information from there. And that's all I need at this point. All this is going to do is help with when you go to register for MVP when we make the switch. All this information is going to be in there, and it should streamline everything, make it a lot easier, but at least we have all of our contact information and swimmer information in there. All right, so this is what you're going to see. Like I said, you can see your swimmer's profile. You get their best times. This is a really cool part. I don't remember this being in Team Unify. But all this is going to be at a later use. So like I said, today you will be receiving that email within the next couple weeks as I get this process ready to go. Please do not trash or spam that email. Follow all your directions. Go to that commitswimming.com right here, commitswimming.com. Once you're logged in, select your swimmer's name, go to Manage, Add Parent. They'll be added so when we start communicating through Commit, registering, and all that, we will have our accounts set up. Again, this is going to be a little bit of a process. I'm still working through the final logistics with Team Unify and Commit as to when all this will be done. I know you're going to have a lot of questions, but hang in there with me as we do these video series of what to look at, what to see, where things are located, and how all that's going to look. So it's exciting times. I know it's going to be a little different, but I really believe that difference is going to be simpler and better for Mount Vernon. Have a great day.